is going on in the Loop fans? It is Drew here at the Magic Kingdom for another construction update. Fall has arrived at the Magic Kingdom. It is not the same fall that we have had in years past. It's a lot more tastefully done. None of the giant scarecrows or anything like that. We just got the regular cute pumpkins. They're just sort of on the lanterns, and each of the shops on Main Street has something nice, tastefully done in one of its windows or in front of the door or something like that. So overall, it looks good. But we're not here to look at the castle. We saw that last time. We're here to see what's new. So let's go exploring. So this is what I mean by tasteful decorations. Right above the ice cream parlor, you can see the fall decorations kind of hanging in the basket up there. Same with down here. You got some up on the balcony like that. All right, let's keep wandering down and I'll show you some others. Up above Starbucks. Just things like this, nice and tasteful.
I want to run in here real quick and see if they have any.
Let's start things off with this Tron update. You got supports there for the canopy. You got lots of cool stuff going on here. It's hard to see because the people mover is, you know, in the way and it's not operating. But there's other good spots to look around. More of that support work going on over there for the canopy of Tron.
And now here we are on the Tomorrowland Speedway for some up-close views of Tron construction. This was actually surprisingly difficult to keep the ride in focus and not bang my car over the center rail. But you can see the canopy support work going on over there. Lots of good construction going on for Tron.
Here's a view I didn't realize you could see from. It's actually probably the best view in the park right now. Here's what's going on Tron. You can see this is the support structure for the canopy. It's going up there. So that all looks really good. And then as we come over here really quick, you can also see scaffolding here on the side of the show building. I guess that side is now getting colored. Put some paint on there and some paneling. This is like the launch area all the way over here behind that building. But Tron is coming along nicely. Guys doing up there? And that crane is huge.
With it being Halloween time, you've got Jack Skellington, Sally, and Oogie Boogie on a parade float driving around Main Street, and that was pretty cool to see. And then here's Oogie Boogie here from another camera angle. Other villainous characters made an appearance as well, like Gaston here riding a horse. He was yelling and taunting at the crowd. And then you've got Queen of Hearts, Captain Hook, and Bowler Hat Guy, and Jafar, and Maleficent. And on the back side of the float is the Evil Queen and the Magic Mirror.
Would you look at that? It looks like an RMC is coming here. We're on Tom Sawyer's Island. You've got Through the trees there, you've got Thunder Mountain. And over there is the awnings of Haunted Mansion. And here, this is where the RMC is going, baby. RMC! All right, we'll end today with a final look at the train station. Thanks for watching this video. Cool to see Tron coming along. Can't wait for that. Canopies are gonna look great, especially when it's all lit up at night. Pretty excited for that. So thanks for watching this video and all of our other videos here on the YouTube channel. Follow me on Twitter at DrewTheIntern. Like us on Facebook, listen to the podcast, and we'll see you on the Midway.